Alright everyone, I'm going to get started with the look. I'm going to start out with this gorgeous orange combo with, I just love this look because this combo together is amazing. So I just definitely applied the orange eyeshadow from the palette to the lid, to the crease, excuse me. Now I'm going to take this blue. I kind of like how it turned out. It's supposed to be blue, but it got into that greenish bluish color. So it's a really good way of switching it up a bit. So I applied it to the crease. Usually I take like a dark brown or a lighter brown, but I decided to go with this brown, this green, excuse me, and apply it to the crease. I'm going to be taking some purple and I'm going to be applying it right in the center, in the inner tear duct area, and then the outer V. And then after I apply it in the inner tear duct and outer V, I'm going to apply some concealer and cutting it. So this is how the halo starts. So I just take it right in the center. Instead of going all over the lid, I just take it right in the center. Taking the teal color and I'm going to be applying it right in the center of the concealer. Concealer, this is a hack where you can make your wing eyeliner a little bit more out there. I just took the concealer and I kind of dragged my hand lightly, not so much pressure, and I just made the wing liner appear. Ha ha ha, cool, ha ha ha, easy. So I'm taking my favorite, of course, you guys know, to buy for my lips, and then I'm gonna be taking the LA Colors liquid lipstick in Subdued.
you.